canyon deep to mountain high. Your blessings stretch beyond the sky. Each sunrise paints your mercy new. Each breath I take is a gift from you.
Through valleys carved by time and grace,
Your faithfulness lights every place.
like rivers winding,
Pure and free, your love pours endlessly.